Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of 2022. Today I plan to show you how you can create a USB installer for Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. By far this is the easiest method available and it doesn't require any knowledge or hacking. Now to do this we need the latest version of Rufus, and this can be downloaded from Rufus.ie. Now I suggest to download the portable version from here. Just click save the file, and now we will need to open it up. Here we need to enter our USB. When we do this, we can select this USB, it is automatically selected, and from here on now there is a selection to download an image ISO. This little arrow is sometimes not visible. This is because you need to enable the automatic check for updates for Rufus, and some users complain that there is no arrow key from which they can select the download option, and this is the reason why we need to enable these automatic checks for updates. When we click on download, when we select download, click on it, and Rufus will go to Microsoft site and check for the Windows ISOs. Now from here we can select our Windows of choice. Currently we are showcasing Windows 11, and to do this select Windows 11, after that continue and select the release. Click continue again, edition, click on continue, language, it is English by default, so click on continue again. Architecture is by default for 64-bit, there is no longer 32-bit version. Click on download, and this will download the Windows ISO. While it is downloading, we'll speed things up a little bit so you don't have to wait that long. Alright, so the Windows 11 installer has finished downloading, and we can continue with creating the USB for unsupported hardware. It is automatically selected for us once it is downloaded, and what we need to do is select here on the image option. We have the option for either to include TPM 2.0 plus secure boot, or without TPM and secure boot. And we need this option right here, which will enable out of the box for Windows 11 to be installed on unsupported hardware. When we select this option, leave GPT partition and UEFI. File system should be NTFS, so basically leave everything by default. We have selected our device, and all we need to do is click on start. This will start the process by writing the created image without TPM and without secure boot on our flash drive. When we click start, the process will begin. Click on OK, and Rufus will create the installer for us. There is no need to go to your registry, there is no need for hacking or additional steps. It is just that easy. Thank you very much for Rufus and the Rufus team for creating this awesome tool. Alright, once the installer is completed, you can safely remove the USB. And basically this concludes this tutorial on how you can create a Windows 11 USB installer for unsupported hardware using Rufus. Thank you very much for watching. Like the video if you like it, if you find this helpful, and subscribe to the channel if you find such content to be helpful and interesting to you. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.